Hey, so if you've just opened the Webflow designer and everything looks a bit overwhelming, yeah, don't worry. In this video, I'll break down the full Webflow designer so you actually understand how it works step by step. All right, first let's understand the layout. The Webflow designer has three main parts. On the left, you've got elements. In the middle, that's your canvas, where you build. And on the right, you've got the style panel, where you control everything. So let's start building. Click the Add panel and drag in a section. Inside that, add a container. Then you can add things like headings, text blocks, images, buttons, whatever you need. Now click any element, and the right side panel is where all the magic happens. You can change font size, colors, spacing, padding, margins, and alignment. So yeah, this is basically how you design everything visually without code. Next up is layout, and this is super important. Webflow uses Flexbox a lot. You can align items, justify content, and control direction like row or column to structure your layout properly. Now let's talk about pages. On the left side, open the Pages panel. Here you can add new pages like Home, About, or Contact, and design each one separately. Okay, this part is really important. Webflow is fully responsive. You can switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile views and adjust your design for each screen size. Finally, once everything looks good, click Publish. Webflow will give you a live link so you can test your website in real time. And that's the Webflow designer explained from top to bottom. Once you understand these basics, building websites becomes way easier. If this helped, keep practicing and try building your own layout. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.